Hello my friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY fidget spinner. So you can go to Draw So Cute website because I have already lot of fidget spinners, so maybe I have around 12 or more than those. So I have just made more. So just I will place over there and I will show you how to make one fidget spinner as that simple. Are you ready? Okay. First you can go to the website Draw So Cute. Then actually you type www.drawsocute.com and then you will see a search bar. So you then put the search bar and then in the search bar you have to type fidget spinners. Okay, then after you printed this, now get this shape, cut it out. Let's get ready. Now, see, that's making 3D. Okay, then you just make a half, then add a circle there. Okay, now I'm gonna cut it out. This bit I'm gonna fast forward it. So every time you guys can pause this video. Now I cut out this shape, now I'm going to remove. Now you can decorate it the way you like. Okay, now take your pin, okay, and then you see the hole that you've created, just put it in and look now. Okay, now take a toothpick and then put it inside like this. Then here we go. There's your fidget spinner. I'm gonna show you now. Okay. And watch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.